another exciting episode of Chickens Choose. I'm your host, Kacey Quesadilla, and on today's episode, we're in sunny San Diego. As you can see, it's beautiful. And on today's challenge, we have Flan, delicious Mexican treat, up against an egg and chorizo taco. Here we go. We've got different chickens, but the same choices. I can figure this out. It's time to let the chickens choose. Now, these are not specially trained choosing chickens that we have at the Chicken Dome in Cement City, but they're figuring it out. Oh, it's looking at the taco. It's thinking about it. It's thinking. Oh, he's going for the tortilla and the egg. The other chickens are getting jealous, but they're not sure what's going on. Come on, chickens. They're figuring it out. Here we go. Chicken number 2. Oh, going straight for the tortilla. Doesn't even care about the egg. Here we go. Now they're figuring it out. And they haven't even noticed the flan. The last chicken's coming out. She's thinking, do I want some flan? Do I want some tortilla? Do I want some egg? Oh, she goes for the flan. So we got one. Oh, and then decides the tortilla is better. Here we go. They're devouring it. Oh, the white one thought about the flan and then changed its mind as it goes off to fight the other chicken for some egg and chorizo. Look at the carnage. Before I forget, I'd like to give a big shout out to my cousin, who's also named Kacey, for letting us use his chickens and his yard and helping us make this video. They're still working on it, but I feel like I can definitely say the egg and chorizo taco was favorable over the flan. They're starting to find the flan, but I think the taco was the clear winner. Oh, look at them go. It's like now that there's no taco, they're working on the flan, but I think I'm going to have to say the taco wins. All right, well, thank you for tuning in. This has been a Chickens Choose on vacation in San Diego. And as always, I'm your host, Kacey Quesadilla. Thanks for watching. Bye.